Here I've got iPhone XS and let me show you how to activate Night Shield on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice Night Shield, so just open it, and now you can either pick the scheduled one or manually enable it until tomorrow. So let me pick first option, scheduled, and now just schedule the duration, so turn on at, for example, 6 and turn off at 6 next day. And let's go back. So from now on, your night shift will be automatically activated between 6 and 6 next day. You can obviously switch it off whenever you want to. You can also manually enable it until tomorrow right now just by tapping on this switcher. And here you can personalize it, so you can add some warmer colors or pick some less warm, some cooler colors. It's actually up to you. So that's it. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on this switcher. So enjoy your night shield. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.